back with another tutorial. You know, that is the beatboxing tutorial. And today I will teach you the PF snare, which sounds like yeah. So it's one of the basic beatbox sounds and it's very easy to do. So what you have to do is just say the letter P but do not vocalize it. It's similar to the B kick, which is, but you have to reduce the bass and say P, and then and then you have to add some pressure from your inside of your mouth through some air and say the letter F, and just combine those two and it will sound like yeah, something like that. And that's it for this tutorial. So once you have learned the sound, all you need to do is just practice a lot, practice and practice, and more practice and more practice, and that is it for this tutorial. It will refine the sound, and now you know how to do this. Please thank us for this tutorial by subscribing our channel, hitting that damn like button, and also hit a comment down below of whatever you want. Also check out the description to see our more videos, and just check out our complete channel because we post awesome videos.